Wow, my skin looks bad.
It's morphin' time!
I leave for school this Thursday. I'm having a little bit of a crisis over it. I have so much anxiety because it's not just like, hey, I'm going up the road or I'm going to like up the state. Like, I'm going on the other side of the world. I will be on a plane for like 22 hours in total and I'll be going to school in Australia. Now I'm going to school abroad for the next 2 years. The mess in the background is not a mess. It's an organized mess because I'm packing. You know, I got like a dress. I got like my hair wraps and shit. I got my bathing suits and underwear, pajamas, shirts, pants, bras, just everything. I got everything ready. I'm not trying to make this like last semester when I waited till last minute to get anything done. And I ended up, you know, overpacking. This time Aaliyah's gonna know what to do, okay? Anyway, I'm gonna be like documenting my last few days home. And I'll just document like me hanging out with my friends and what else do I do? I have to be like doing stuff, you know, like I gotta be like shopping. I gotta like do body maintenance. Woo! I got a lot of things to do. Oh, I probably should start. How do you feel about me?
Don't come to the highlight. I just got stabbed.
I stabbed you with my nail. How do you feel about me going back to school?
I feel sad because I love you.
What are you gonna do without me? Your life is gonna be miserable, right?
Right, but it always is. So, what's the difference?
So, you want me to bring you back anything from Australia?
Oh my god, yes. Bring me back all the spiders and a cute man.
Girl, I ain't got. It was a nice day. We went to the High Line.
Yeah, and I got stabbed.
You didn't get stabbed.
Trigger warning. Trigger warning. Blood warning. Vomit warning. I got stabbed.
We also went to the Whitney Museum. We got to see some interpretive art.
Shutters?
The Whitney Museum.
There's no respect on her name.
You can't use any of it. Let's also talk about the fact that I met Charlie Carver. I don't think you guys understand. My whole life was dedicated to Teen Wolf. Teen Wolf was my life. Dylan O'Brien was my #1 stan, still is. Like, you guys don't understand, like, the level of hard work and dedication I went to make sure that I watched every episode of Teen Wolf, that the cast members knew I existed. Like, it's ridiculous. And I met Charlie Carver, and I had a conversation with him, and I was like, chill, right? I was good.
Yeah,
like, he saw the sparks. Like, if he wasn't gay, he definitely would have been like, oh, you know? So we're in love.
I don't know about that.
But we're in love. Thank you. Love you, Charlie.
He's not gonna watch. He's gonna go on Twitter like, oh my god, I just met the craziest man ever.
We also got these really cool Did you just almost fall? Okay, we also got these perfumes that are tailored to our zodiac sign. Maybe because I'm a Sagittarius, I don't know. I love the scent of mine. It was like fruity. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna smell like all the bees are gonna be on me, all the man's.
You don't want that. Later on, you're not gonna want that. You're just like,
but for the time being, I will be like, wow, like, look at me. Everybody want to beat me because I smell fruity. And then
mine was like really awesome. It was like, you know, when you first walk into like class and it's like that really beautiful person and it's like, wow, they're popular. You can tell they're popular and then everybody likes them. It's like that smell.
I've only been to school with ugly people.
Oh.
Migraine usually means you're nauseous, like the light bothers you, so you might just have a really bad headache.
Whatever. My body likes to kill me anyway. I started swimming, freaking knees popping and locking. No, my family don't believe me when I have injuries. They don't. I don't.
Because you just
And I feel like I don't believe myself either, but it's real pain.
Do you tell your doctor all of these problems? Or
No, I don't go to a doctor.
Listen to me. Raven got heart palpitations. Raven got knee problems. She got headache
For the
problems.
whole 2 months.
What?
I had chest problems for the whole 2 months, but then my mom has chest
Yo,
problems.
you remember?
After Lucy Davis doping, I really thought I was gonna have a heart attack. Cause that my heart clicked and stopped. It said, oh, I said, and I feel like crying and dying at the same time. I'm
Raven, doctor.
So guys, like damn, it is Wednesday already. Wednesday night. I leave tomorrow, and I'm not ready at all. I mean, I started packing, and like that is a process that's happening. It's not going as quickly as I thought it would. I don't know. I feel like, I don't know why. I just feel like I put too much stuff in, but my suitcase's not overweight, and it's like I feel like I'm not bringing things that I really need, but also these are things that I need. Like, I don't know what to do with myself. It's just really stressful. My mom has this like travel list. I mean, it just says like things like essentials, like your IDs and stuff. I need to check into my flight. Oh my god, I have so much I need to do. I need to check into my flight. I need to print that out. I also have to print out my flight to Fiji, so there's proof of me leaving the country. So it is now approximately 3 a.m. I finished packing. I dyed my brows and now they look hella dark. What am I going to do about it? Nothing, because it's already done. I just have to pack the things that I'll be using tonight and like tomorrow morning away, but besides that, I'm basically done. Today was very stressful. Quick question. Is it possible to develop an allergic reaction to something that you didn't have an allergic reaction to before? Because I think that's happening. I dye my eyebrows like once a month, like every month, and my eyebrow is swollen and was itchy, and now I don't know what's happening, and it's like only my eyebrow, so I know it's like nothing else I did. Are you serious? I'm about to leave for school today, and now I got something growing on top of my eyes. Oh my god, look how swollen it is. Dad, it's getting bigger.